Dear colleagues, welcome to this ITI webinar. It's my pleasure to host you all today with the topic digitally assisted implant prosthodontics. And I would like to set up the expectations for this webinar that I will be talking about the digitally assisted implant prosthodontics from the clinician side. And as you know, this topic has evolved for many years, and it has started mostly with the CAD/CAM at the lab side of implant prosthodontics. And what I would like to show you today is exactly what we clinicians need to know and what we clinicians need to understand what the options are and how we can utilize this fantastic technology to our advantage. So when it comes to the selection of the restorative materials in modern implant prosthodontics, it's not a matter of choice. The restorative material nowadays is going to be conditioned by the clinical indication, by the implant position, by the type of abutment or connection that you will use with the implant, and the retention system, the laboratory manufacturing technique, and the aesthetic characteristics. So in that context, what is really important here is that the material itself, none of these characteristics should be leading predominantly over the choice of materials.